The nutraceutical industry is one of the world's largest industry worldwide. Driven by many factors, our domestic Indian nutraceutical industry is confident for a consistently high growth pattern over the next few years. One such corporation that is leading the growth curve is Abha Biotechnology. Established in the year 2018, Abha Biotechnology has become one of India's top nutraceutical contract manufacturing companies. It is also one of the fastest growing contract manufacturing nutraceutical companies in the country, with constantly evolving ideas and developing better products.
I am very pleased that this year we have completed 5 long years with Abha Biotechnology. We are having a state-of-the-art international facility with solid dosage form, powder dosage form and liquid dosage form. Our product is being certified by Central FSSAI and GMP, HACCP, organic certification, and all the required certification which is needed for healthcare and nutraceuticals. We are also exporting to 2 countries, which is Uzbekistan and Yemen. And our product are getting registered in 4 or 5 countries, including Philippines, UAE, Iran, Africa and Egypt. Our product ranges is basically having organic ranges, organic products, and we have around 60 certified products.
Abha Biotechnology is a research-based manufacturing company. We have core research and development team. We have dedicated units, liquid section, powder section, capsule section. Our aim is to provide the quality products globally. Our plant is basically registered in multiple countries, and we are following the international health, regulatory, nutritional guidelines. We have dedicated marketing team, logistic team. We are supplying the products internationally and domestically with proper logistic breakthrough. And if any new requirement, that we are also working dedicated on research parameters and provide the good quality of the products.
So quality is a key to trust. We at Abha Biotechnology make sure that our product complies with all the specifications and guidelines, so that we can provide the best quality of product and trusted product to the market.
Give us opportunity to serve you, to make this nation more healthy and prosperous, and make this Earth planet a better planet that we are thinking of.